Welcome back today, where dive in WCT coin is exploding right now, and the rally might not be over yet. If you're holding WCT or thinking of buying in, this is the update you don't want to miss. Wallet Connect token, or WCT, is pumping hard. While the overall crypto market is bleeding, WCT is standing out as a potential safe haven. It's already seen a massive surge, but there could still be another 10 to 20% move up from here. Coins like ZBCN are also moving, but WCT is stealing the spotlight. Take a look at the numbers. Market cap around $210 million. Volume over $784 million in the last 24 hours. That kind of volume during a market dip is a strong signal. Traders are paying attention. You can trade WCT on major exchanges. It's available on Binance, Kraken, Crypto.com, and more. So there's no issue with liquidity right now. Technically, the next key targets are $1.29 to $1.33, which is about 16% upside from the current levels. But here's the warning. RSI is already at 84 on the 12-hour chart. That's extremely overbought. What does this mean? It might be a smart time to start taking profits if you're already in the green. If WCT hits resistance around 1.33 or 1.37 and pulls back, look for a potential re-entry near 1.10 or even 90 cents. That could give a better risk-reward setup for the next leg up. WCT is one of the few coins pumping while the rest of the market struggles. But don't ignore the signals. This rally might be near the top. Watch for red candles, take profits if needed, and keep your eyes on support zones for a possible re-entry. That's your WCT update. If you found this helpful, hit like, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss our crypto breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.